All right, good morning, everybody. So I'm looking at the All About Me assignment, and I'm seeing that a lot of students are turning in their assignment, but there is no file attached. And when that happens, it's kind of hard for me to grade it because I can't see your work. So I wanted to walk through really quick how you're supposed to attach your work to an assignment so that you can make sure your work gets graded and seen by me. All right, so here we go. So you're going to get a message from me that says, I did not receive any attached work on the All About Me assignment. You go, oh, all right. So what are you supposed to do? Go to my class, click on assignments. Now you've already turned it in, right? So it's not going to show up here. We talked about that yesterday. But check the completed section. Okay, there it is. All right. And lo and behold, Kilgren is right. There is no work attached. Okay, so under my work, if it still says add work and there's nothing here, then nothing was attached. But that is where the magic button is to attach your work. So if I click add work, I get this dialog box, and the first default selection is our OneDrive, which is good because that is where everything should be saved. You should be saving it in your OneDrive. And hey, there's my assignment. All right, so I can go ahead and click on that assignment and attach it, and I know I've done it when I'm looking under my work and it shows the file that I want to churn in for this assignment. Okay, and then at that point I would just click turn in again, and I get a little check mark, it says turned in, blah blah blah. All right, and that's good. And on my end, when I open up your assignment, I'm going to see that file. Now sometimes you'll open up an assignment and under my work it's already going to have a file there. And that's actually the case with today's assignment on your first vignette you're going to write. And in that case you don't have to attach anything additional. You just click on that file and work within that file in Teams and it will save automatically. But again, that check for you is if under my work there is nothing, it still says add work, then that's when you got to make sure you attach your file that you've been working on. Okay? Now, the last thing that I wanted to cover is how do you make sure that your work is being saved in OneDrive? All right, so here I am, I'm working in PowerPoint, and I've made an awesome poster. It's amazing. Kilgren looks at it, he just starts weeping because it's just so amazing. And anyway, how do you make sure it's saved in OneDrive? So if I go File, Save As, and I make sure I choose OneDrive Union Gap School. All right? Yours isn't going to say T. Kilgren at Union Gap School. It's going to say your username at uniongapschool.org, but you want to make sure you choose OneDrive at Union Gap School, and that way when you save it, blah, 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 save, it's going to go into that OneDrive and it's easy to attach in Teams. All right? If you are doing your work in the online PowerPoint, so that means you've been in your browser, you've gone through Clever, and you are working in Office 365 online. The good news with using the online service is it automatically saves to your OneDrive. That's the default. It automatically happens that way. So I'm in PowerPoint. I've made a most awesome poster. And again, it's so amazing. I followed all the directions. I have 7 images, 6 images in one drawing, and a quote and everything that I'm supposed to have. And I changed the file name to something I'm going to recognize, such as All About Me. All right. And it will automatically save to my OneDrive, so that when I'm trying to attach things in Teams, when I'm trying to attach things in Teams, it will automatically show up there. Okay. So there you go, how to make sure that your work will be graded by me because it is attached to your assignment. All right, so watch this as many times as you need to, and if any part of it is confusing, feel free to send me a chat or give me a call. Alrighty.